Today I'm going to show you how to print and prepare checks in QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Check. This opens the check form. First, choose the payee. This could be a vendor, contractor, or another person or business you're paying. Next, choose the bank account the check will be paid from. Then enter the check date and payment amount. In the category section, choose the correct account for what the payment is for, such as supplies, rent, repairs, or another expense category. You can also add a memo if you want extra details for your records. Before printing, review the payee, bank account, date, amount, category, and memo. Once everything looks correct, go to the bottom of the screen and click Print Check. If this is your first time printing checks in QuickBooks, you may see a printing setup wizard. Follow the setup steps to align your check format with your printer. This helps make sure the text prints correctly on your check stock. After setup, preview the check and confirm the alignment looks right. Then print the check. If you're not ready to print yet, you can save the check and print it later. And that's how to create, prepare, and print checks in QuickBooks Online in 2026.